Welcome to the National PTA Bylaws Committee video series on the 2021 National PTA Bylaw amendments that will be presented during the 2021 Annual Meeting and Convention of National PTA. The purpose of these videos is to provide you, our voting delegates, with as much information regarding the proposed amendments that we can offer. If at any point you have questions, feel free to reach out to the National PTA Bylaws Committee at bylaws@pta.org, as well as review the other materials that are posted on the National PTA website, including the videos of the other 8 amendments, as well as the process for the 2021 annual meeting of National PTA and the adoption and consideration of the bylaw amendments. This video in our series will be regarding the Membership Termination Amendment to the National PTA Bylaws. Introduce the 2020-2021 National PTA Bylaws Committee. Serving this year on the National PTA Bylaws Committee is Lisa Holbrook from Texas, Latha Kirschneier from Florida. I'm Justin Raber, Chair from West Virginia, Marnie Usher from Connecticut, and Allison Turner from Nevada. This year, during the virtual annual meeting of National PTA, we will be considering 9 total bylaw amendments, which include an amendment regarding reduction and composition of the National PTA Board of Directors, a restructure of the National PTA committees, a name change to the title Member Representative, the membership year for the National Supporting Member, the eligibility of service for current Nominating and Leadership Recruitment Committee members, an amendment regarding membership termination, an amendment regarding state president service on the National PTA Board of Directors, an amendment regarding the virtual annual meeting and convention of National PTA, and finally, an amendment regarding the term length for National PTA governance, moving from a 2-year to a 3-year term. At this time, I would like to welcome Marnie Usher from Connecticut, who will be presenting the amendment regarding membership termination. Marnie?
Hopefully everyone has had a chance to read the proposed amendment. Briefly, this amendment provides a procedure for the removal of a member when necessary. Rationale: the adoption of the cause and procedure for termination of an individual's membership is needed in order to further protect the reputation and goodwill of National PTA. An organization's assets are both tangible and intangible, and its good name and reputation are some of the most important of the intangible assets. When a member represents our association in a way that is counter to our mission, our purposes, our policies, or our bylaws, they harm our reputation and goodwill. This amendment allows for a process to terminate the membership of that member while requiring appropriate due process. This is not something that can be done cavalierly, and the requirement for a 2/3 vote speaks to the importance of this action.
Thank you so much for that great information and overview of the amendments. We would like to remind you that information regarding the process that is being used during the 2021 virtual meeting of National PTA is posted to the PTA website at pta.org. Please be sure to participate in our Q&A sessions and register for them on the same website. Our Q&A sessions regarding these amendments will be hosted on June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Be sure to pre-register. Thank you for viewing this video. If you have any questions, please email bylaws@pta.org. Thank you.